Hello, my name is Slavoj Žižek, and I'm very glad and proud to announce my short, unfortunately, 2 days seminar. I will be in person in Sasfe on August 3 and 4. The topic of my seminar will be negativity, but don't be afraid. I decided on purpose not to dwell in this general topic, negativity in Plato, in Hegel, after Hegel, but I want to focus on two theoretical spaces very relevant today. Often I'm criticized for not understanding Oriental version of negativity, which they wouldn't call it negativity. We can call it nirvana, sunyata, whatever. The idea that our liberation comes from assuming the primordial void, out of which everything emerges. I will try to change the perspective and claim that the furthest we can go is not some primordial void, but it's the fall, the collapse. Things begin by a disturbance, by falling apart. Second topic, second day, will be about cognitivism today. I don't despise brain sciences, cognitivism, and so on, but the same as with Buddhism, I will try to demonstrate why they cannot make a crucial step further towards what I think characterizes, sorry for this term that I will use now, human spirituality at its deepest, which is precisely what Hegel called radical self-relating negativity, what Freud called death drive, what Lacan called symbolic castration, and so on. So again, in both cases, it will be, again, it's a stupid term, but here it is justified. It will be a critical but constructive dialogue. So please, if you're interested in this, enroll yourself, and also, while kindly smiling at me on screen, behind your back, begin now already to sharpen your knife. I want critical debate. Not these politically correct condemnations where we don't even have to listen to each other, but authentic critical debate, which is, again, disappearing from our public space, left and right, and so on. This is also why we need EGS, institutions like EGS. Today, with all this false politicization, conservative or politically correct, leftist, the authentic spirituality is disappearing. EGS is a space where you can say things that can get you into a lot of trouble in our academic institution. So I'm really looking forward to meeting you. I'm slowly getting sick and tired of this Zoom, because Zoom, you know, I'm a paranoiac. I'm not even sure if anybody is out there, if it's all a fake, but I want to be there physically in the same room with at least some of you and engage personally in a critical, passionate dialogue. So looking forward to it, very glad to be there.